Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched low cap meme coin here, another Solana ecosystem meme coin. Within last 24 hours, this meme coin is more than 120% pump here. Right now, friends, I see 83% pump, but in last 24 hours, this meme coin pumped from $0.0089 to $0.16, almost 120% pump in last 24 hours. I will share you all further details that is this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap coin, and can we see its listing on tier 1 central exchanges or not, so it is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Stress Lucy's name $0.016 current price. You can check out last 30 days performance somehow good. Okay, $16.4 million market cap. Market cap is no doubt good, but still low cap. It's because of entire crypto market was done. That's why market cap is right now down. $50 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So this is amazing, friends. Market cap is just 16 million, but last trading volume is $50 million. So this is really amazing. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation, and other Solana ecosystem meme coin. You can see, friends, Muscat of the theme and Binance Alpha Spotlight. So this is amazing. This is really good. No doubt 120% pump in last 24 hours, but still, friends, we are 95% down than its all-time high. They were 5 months ago. Okay, 95% down than its all-time high. So this is massive jump for this meme coin, and 102% up than its all-time low. Just now, okay, almost we are on this all-time low, but due to today's pump, this meme coin is now 182% pump. Somehow this performance is good, and these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed. Novadex is listed, Polynex, OrangeX is listed, MEXC, Axie.com has listed, some Solana DEX is listed, DigiFinex, CoinX is listed, Bit2Weeks exchange is listed, BitGet, Bybit has listed, KuCoin, Arbit, and PingX. These some central exchanges that list this coin. And if you not have Gadget.io and MEXC exchange account yet, I provide you both central exchange links in description. You can check out both central exchanges where you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Just like this meme coin, it still is not on Binance and Coinbase, but friends, you can buy this meme coin on MEXC exchange. MEXC has already listed this coin, so you have not MEXC account, so you can check out MEXC exchange link in description. KYC is very simple. Okay, just you have to complete your KYC. After that, you can trade on MEXC exchange. First, tokenomics is good. You can see, okay, $16.6 million market cap, 44,000 holders according to them, but this is token extension is false. Okay, these are the top 10 holders of this coin. Bitget exchange has highest of its supply, that is 13.1% supply. Okay, 13.1% supply is on Bitget exchange, $2.1 million worth. And second highest holder of this coin is Bybit, and other central exchange. Okay, friends, Bybit holding 10% of supply, Radium, that is Solana DEX, okay, holding 5% of supply, MEXC and other central exchange holding 2.7% supply. So this distribution is good. Okay, no doubt distribution is very good because Wallet 6 and other central exchange, that is KuCoin, 1.3% of supply, and Gateway exchange has 1.1% of supply. So I think 7 out of 10 are central exchanges wallet and DEX's wallets. They are holding this coin, and all wallets has more than 1% of supply. Okay, total I think 25% supply in wallets. Okay, you can see and other central exchanges wallets here. Friends, no doubt token is looking good. Distribution is no doubt good. There's no any value issue looking here because all are the central exchanges wallets. They are holding this coin in high amount here. You can see it's all further details on Pump Fund. You can see 6 months ago this coin was created here. You can check out charts, all further details, and about this meme coin, that pawning card process 100% confirm, and this website is also here. So friends, no doubt this token is looking good, and within just 24 hours, okay, past 24 hours, almost 100% pump here. So this is also good. So now my price prediction about this meme coin is that is this current market cap is 16.4 million, and this coin is already listed on many base central exchanges just like Bybit, Bitnix is listed, and Bitget, KuCoin has already listed this coin. So it means that coin has potential. Maybe we can see its listing on many other major central exchanges in coming few months here. And friends, last 24-hour trading volume is 50 million. This is huge. This is really amazing. This trading volume shows that coin has potential maybe we can see it listing on major central exchanges. And in this year super cycle, meme coins mega bullion is really possible. There we can see its market from just 16 million to maybe $3 to $5 billion here. Because friends, you can see Binance is for Sport Alpha Lite. Okay, I will show you. Okay, you can see Binance Alpha Sport Lite has so this is good. Then in future maybe Binance listing is also possible. Overall coin is looking good. Still I'm not holding this coin personally. I clearly told you I'm still not holding this coin, but due to recent pump, a massive pump by this meme coin, I shared you this meme coin with you. But personally I'm still not holding this coin, and maybe in coming few days I can get some Lucy coins also, but still I'm not holding this coin. My price target for this meme coin, I think 3 to 5 billion in this year mega bullion. And if you still not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel where you can get all crypto updates. Okay, on my Telegram channel, just like I tell you about BTC update, that BTC has recently hit $87,000, and many other coins, that BNB ecosystem coins are pumping. And Mubarak was pumped, Broccoli was pumped, and right now Koma Inu is also huge pump here, almost 30% pump right now in Koma Inu coin also. And many other important updates about cryptocurrencies, about our favorite meme coins, you can get on my Telegram channel 100% free. Okay, and if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided these all my crypto addresses links in description. And also on my Telegram channel, you have to just join my Telegram channel. Click here in pin message, you can get my crypto addresses here, and you can copy these addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel for next 1000x potential meme coins.